Hey guys, so a couple weeks ago I ordered some stuff from DIY Detail. Um, I've been watching their videos on YouTube and really been liking some of their content they've been putting out with like just tips and tricks and just things that they do for detailing that might be against the grain, but it saves time. Or it's like, why am I doing that? Does it make sense? Am I really saving time, or am what I'm doing detailing wise, does that is that for the customer? Is that what they're paying for? Is that just what I want to do, just for my own ego or for bragging purposes? So anyway, I like their content and I wanted to give them a try. So I ordered some stuff. The only thing I've used so far is the DIY Detail iron remover. Can't talk this morning apparently. I really like it. Haven't used a whole lot of it, but it works really good. It is stinky, but at least I know it's working. And then, so I got a few other things here. I got their All Clean, so I'm excited to use that. They recommend for exteriors 1 to 15 dilution ratio, and then 1 to 30 for interior. So I'll give that a try out. I got their rinseless wash sponge, which is really cool. It's got all these little cut areas, so that'll trap the dirt and debris and not scratch the paint. So I'm excited to use that. Haven't really dove into the rinseless wash at all, but I got some of the rinseless wash, just a small 16-ounce concentrate bottle. So I'm excited to use that. Give that a try at some point. And one last thing I got was the ceramic spray. They can be used as a drying aid or a quick detailer for, it's like instead of using wax. So the ceramic gloss, it looks like a neat product to use. Spray on there and wipe off, so it doesn't take a lot of time. So I'll give that a try and report back how I like these products here, but really excited to use DIY Detail.